in my history. I'm trying to.
Welcome back to the channel. I am back with a clothing haul, so if you're interested in videos such as this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss out on the hottest trending videos. So the clothes that I am reviewing in this video are from CHIC, and all of the pieces that I did receive are in a size 16, and I am 5'3". CHIC is a plus size brand offering true sizes from a 10 through 30. So the first piece that I am reviewing is the Tunic floral sheer tie square neck blouse in the color tan, and I also paired her with the cotton bootcut color wash high-rise jeans. This look is absolutely fabulous for the fall look with the dark brown pants with this nice beautiful floral blouse, and the jeans are so comfortable. This look right here is very cute, sexy, but also casual. So the next piece that I'm reviewing is the cable knit contrast trim drop shoulder pullover sweater in the color dark green, great for winter. It comes in dark green, burgundy, and black, and she's a cute casual v-neck sweater. And the jeans that I paired it with is the very stretchy dark wash zipper fly pocket jeans. I like this look because it looks very laid back and chill, and you can pair it with some classy clear heels, or you can pair it with some sneakers. And I just love the loose fitted sweater because not only is it comfortable and casual, but it also keeps you warm. Child, this would have been perfect for Thanksgiving. I ain't even gonna lie. Very cute to run errands with or just have a kickback. So the next piece that I have is the plain belted hoodie Tunic pocket coat. When I look back on the site, it wasn't available for some reason, but they have plenty other variety of other gorgeous peacoats to choose from. So I paired my black hooded peacoat with the cotton plain basic turtleneck t-shirt. So the shirt is in a regular fit and also in half sleeve, and it's such a perfect match with the peacoat itself, and you can add your accessories like a chain or something to really bring out this fit. And I paired it with some thigh boots because, child, it was given realness. And to top off this whole look, the jeans that I paired this whole entire fit with is the leopard high stretch skinny jeans in the color black. The pants have a high stretch, and it is a skinny jean type of style. Very sexy, comfortable, casual style, and I am just really loving the leopard print on the jeans. These are bad. I plan to buy your most personal belongings when they up for auction. And last but not least, this is the solid metal detail belted pocket coat, and I got it in the color dark green. And this one comes in the colors dark green, indigo, and scarlet. This coat is super cute for winter, definitely for like the holidays, since the holidays is coming up. Y'all, I cannot believe Christmas is in like 5 weeks. Well, at least I'm gonna be cute for the holidays, so that's all that matters, right? I am in love with this peacoat. For one, I love the buttons, the gold and black buttons on this. It's definitely giving bougie, rich winter auntie vibes. It's giving luxury, it's giving elegance, and that's the style that I'm looking for, honey. Overall, I really did enjoy this haul. These clothes fit me perfectly, and the clothes are super comfortable. Everything fit true to size, and I'm really satisfied with all the pieces that I received. Shipping did take about 2 weeks. I'll say about 2.5 weeks to get to me. So overall, I gotta give my experience probably a 9 out of 10 because the clothes were just super comfortable. The pieces that I picked out are perfect for the holidays, very comfortable, and they fit true to size. I will also make sure to have all of the links of the pieces that I reviewed in this video down in the description below, including a code. Definitely will be getting more pieces from CHIC, and let me know if you would like for me to do more clothing hauls on this channel. I miss doing clothing hauls, y'all. I haven't really did one in a long time, and this was really fun. Let me know which one you will wear, which one you will rock the most. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you babes later. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye. Nah, we ain't no simp. We don't hold on, flip, block on my chip, off my shoulder, block on my hip. I'm a soldier, I'm content, off the whip. If you can dip, I'm a loner. Loving outside the night long, looking for some signs in the stars. Give me some insight to your heart. Loving outside the night, loving outside the night long. Looking for some signs in the stars.